Welcome to WP Beginner and thank you for watching. In this video, I'll show you how to edit the wp-config file in WordPress. The wp-config file is the configuration file for a self-hosted WordPress site. It contains a lot of information about your site, like say the database setup and other sensitive information. So you do want to be careful in working with this file. As a precaution, make sure you back up your site. Next, you want to use an FTP client to connect to your website. And you'll usually find the file in the WP content folder like you see here. You want to download that to your computer, and after you download you can open it with Notepad or a text editor to make any changes. This whole area that you see deals with the database connection settings, and you can find that from your cPanel MySQL database area, where you can contact your web host if you need to make changes here. Down here are authentication keys and salts, which are security keys that help keep your site secure. If you think your site has been compromised, you can generate WordPress security keys here and paste them back in here. Doing this will log all users out of your site and forcing them to log in again. The WordPress database table prefix is found here, and the debugging mode is useful to set to true when you're learning WordPress and if you want to know what the PHP notices are generated when executing code. The absolute path setting is the last part of the config file, and this is the path WordPress uses for variables and included files. You don't need to change this though. If you want to change the uploads directory, you can do that here. And if you want to disable automatic updates in your WordPress, you can add this line of code to your file. For post revisions, you can also add this line of code and limit the number of post revisions that are kept in your database. And that's a quick overview of how to edit the wp-config file. If you like this video, click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment there. We'd love to hear from you. And subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest videos.